Hello everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on the art of alopecia. For those who don't know me, my name is Marcy, and on this YouTube channel we primarily do wig reviews, but I'm also very active on a few other social media platforms. I have my Instagram and my TikTok. You can also find me under the name The Art of Alopecia. I also have a Gmail account that you can happily email me at theartofalopecia@gmail.com if you don't have social media or you don't feel comfortable reaching out via social media, or if you just want to do it the old-fashioned way and send me an email, you can happily do so. I would be happy to connect and support in any way that I can. But anyways, I hope you guys are all doing well and thriving in life. It has been so hot lately. We've had a heat warning, so I am just whew. But today is going to be another exciting wig review because today we are reviewing a brand new brand. I have never reviewed or tested out their wigs before, so we are going to talk about it. And the company that I'm going to be talking about today is called RPGSHOW, and I'm going to be reviewing their Sophia human hair unit. So if you are interested in learning more about this brand and seeing a beautiful brunette wig, then keep watching. So for those who follow me on Instagram, may or may not have seen that I've already posted a little sneak peek, and I already posted an unboxing reel, but I just want to take like a few minutes of your time just to go over all of the products that this brand sent me, because seriously there is so much and they're so generous, and I felt so special just unboxing it because like I love free goodies. And first and foremost, this is the box. It is so sturdy, it is so secure. As I always say in all of my videos, if I remember to say it, when you are investing in a high quality product like a wig, you want to ensure that your storage is also high quality to avoid, you know, the color from being affected by the sunlight or potentially getting it in like a dusty area and stuff like that. So I always love when brands send boxes that are great for storage, that are sturdy, that are just safe and sound to keep your little wig in, but this is a great box to store your wig in. In terms of the goodies that they sent me, first and foremost, they sent me this wig travel bag, which honestly I am so excited by. These are great for traveling. They keep your wig nice and protected, and also it lays flat. Usually when I'm traveling, I'll use like a silk or satin bag, but honestly this is so great because it just lays perfectly flat, keeps your wig nice and protected, and probably prevents the style from, you know, getting detangled or whatnot. So beautiful. They also sent me this flyaway tamer, which I am going to use because I have never heard of this, and I've only ever used like water because I don't really love putting kind of hairspray in my wigs. So I'm definitely going to try this. They also sent me a magazine from their brand, so I'm going to take some time to kind of look at these beautiful women, probably wearing some of their hair. Super excited. They sent me some samples of a special conditioner that is made specifically for wigs and weaves, so I'm excited to give that a try. Of course, I got a wig cap. I believe they sent me some tape, at least this looks like tape, and then I believe this is a band that helps keep the wig intact when you apply glue on it. Yes, I was right. So when you do glue your wig down, then you put this on to kind of force the I look so funny, to force the hair into the glue into your scalp so that it stays nice and protected. But you can wear this wig glueless, but you can also use glue if you want more of a snatched look. All right, my beautiful people, introducing the gorgeous Sophia. Oh, she is absolutely stunning. Usually I rock like a wave or a curl with my wigs in my wig reviews, but this one is just so gorgeous that I thought I would just leave her straight. So this is Miss Sophia on the website. She is called Sophia the Wig Stylist 005. I will link her down below, so don't you worry. Let's just go over a few specs of the cap construction and the wig itself. First and foremost, I was a little bit disappointed when I received this wig in the mail because the color wasn't exactly what it looked like in the picture on the website. So I'll post a picture of it right here of what it looks like on the website. It still it looks like the same wig, but I just feel like there are more highlights in the stock pictures. But I did reach out to the company and they did assure me that they try their best to be as consistent as possible with the coloring, but each wig is customized per order. So they try to be consistent, but they can't guarantee the color 100%, which I appreciated their transparency. I still really love the way that she looks, and she's gonna look even more beautiful curled with like a bit of a wave, because that's how she looks like in the stock photo. She is a human hair piece. I do not know the origin behind her hair, but I can tell you that her hair is silky smooth. It is only shedding a little bit, but not a lot. Her hair color is a mushroom blonde balayage. Again, she's just a little bit darker than the stock photo. She is 16 inches in length, but you can also customize everything about this wig. So if you like this wig in particular, but you want to customize like a few things like the length, I believe like the density, the hairline, the bleach knots, like you can customize a lot of things on their website. So if you follow the link down below, it's going to prompt you a whole bunch of things to customize. So she's 16 inches in length, but you can get her shorter or longer. Her density is 200%. I don't know if that's true because she does feel quite light. She feels like a medium density. I wouldn't say she's a higher density. So that's just something to note. In terms of her cap construction, she is a lace top with no ear tabs, so I haven't cut in her ear tabs just yet, but just know that if you are planning on buying this, then you have to customize it to your own ear tabs. All that beautiful lace that you can play around with. She is a machine close wefted back. She has combs on the sides and at the back, but these can be easily removed. And then she also has a resistance band for extra security, but these can also be removed. I still haven't cut the lace at the back. Let's see. But yeah, that is Miss Sophia. Oh, and before I move on, her lace color is the transparent lace. So just so you know. Alrighty, let's throw Miss Sophia on. I cannot wait to show you guys this wig. She is stunning. Oh my. She is so stinking beautiful and super long. Let me stand up. Wow. She is a long girl. Oh, I also forgot to mention the size of the cap. She is their small, which is 21.5 to 22 inches in circumference. This wig is quite big on my head. Usually the 21.5, that's usually like an average cap size, but on their website, they call it a small or a size 1, I believe. So just make sure that you measure your head before ordering. I have a petite size head. They don't have anything smaller than that. Wig still looks absolutely beautiful, but just like the fit of it, I can feel that it's just a bit too big, but I can still wear it and it will still look really natural. And not like it's not like it looks really big on my head. And I'll give you guys like a side and back profile. I just got to be careful when styling the wig because it is too big. My goodness, when I threw this wig on for the first time and I cut the lace, I felt so confident. Like, this is such a stunning brown. It matches my eyebrow shade perfectly, and this is the only eyebrow shade that I tend to rock. Like, usually dependent on the hair color, like I'll either make it lighter or darker, but I really only use this one shade. But isn't she gorgeous? Like, quality of hair, really beautiful. Let me give you guys a close-up of her hairline. So the knots are apparent on my skin. I don't know if they said that they are bleached or lightly bleached, but you can still see them on my skin because my skin is really fair. And the lace is just a little bit darker to my skin color, and I'm wearing like my Pure Pressed foundation powder. So that's just something to note. I'll stretch it so it makes it look like the ear tabs are cut. But anyways, this is the hairline. The hairline is pretty good, keeping in mind that it is like in the $600 range. Like, this is a really great quality wig for what it is, but I understand when something is a little bit less expensive, then these kinds of things are to be expected. Not that it's a big deal. One note that I am super fair, but if you are also super fair, then these are just things to keep in mind. But you can part it wherever you would like, and you can play around with the lace, which is so much fun because when you have a lace top, you can style it within the realm of the lace in terms of like braids and stuff like that. In terms of what you can and can't do with the wig, of course, you can use your hot tools, you can straighten it, you can curl it, you can crimp it, you can have so much fun with it. You can put it into a low to mid pony, you can put it a half up, half down. You can do braids as long as it stays within the realm of the lace. You just can't put it in an extremely high ponytail. That just won't work. Wow, she is so gorgeous. Also, I want to talk about the fact that this is technically advertised as a glueless cap. I like to be really transparent with people because I feel like people don't understand fully the extent of a glueless cap. Yes, I would consider this a glueless cap, but I do need to tell you guys a few things of what I experienced from glueless cap. So once I cut the ear tabs are going to be very airy and they're kind of gonna dangle like they're doing right now. So you can technically wear it glueless if you wear your hair like this. But the moment that you start kind of playing around with it, those ear tabs are going to lift. So my number one recommendation is you don't even have to use any glue. You can put 2 pieces of like Stronghold Blue Walker double-sided tape right then and there, so that will give you the freedom to like play around with your hair throughout the day without worrying about it lifting. So that's kind of my full disclosure of when a company says that it is glueless. But I think that is all I have to say about Miss Sophia. She is so gorgeous. Her hair quality is stunning. The color is not what I expected it to be, but it is still gorgeous. It's not gonna look exactly like the stock photo, but I can assure you that it probably will turn out to be very, very beautiful. Again, she is a budget-friendly wig at an affordable price, and I know $600 is still a lot of money, but when you're looking at the grand scheme of things in terms of pricing for human hair wigs, it's expensive. It's getting into the thousands, like even topping like $5,000. I'm seeing wigs at $5,000. So the fact that this is under $1,000, I would consider this an affordable, budget-friendly wig, but she is so stinking gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I do have a few discount codes. I have one code that you can use for limited time. If that time has passed and that code no longer works, then use this code and you will always be able to save on the website. Just a little bit of money saving, which is awesome. But anyways, go check them out. They have so many wigs on their website, so many beautiful products. Go check them out on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this wig. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my face. And we will see you next time on The Art of Alopecia. Bye guys.